Hello, I'm Tina Zion, and I have been successfully teaching people all over the world how to do medical intuition. I am a fourth-generation intuitive medium, and in my family, we were expected to be intuitive. We were expected to be able to perceive and interact with our deceased relatives. So I grew up understanding that this is very, very normal to do. So I am also a registered nurse. I'm a Gestalt trained mental health counselor, and I'm a clinical hypnotherapist, and I specialized in past life regressions, and I'm a Reiki master teacher. Now, the medical intuitive part of my abilities didn't begin until I was giving a lot of Reiki to people, and I suddenly, one day, very spontaneously, began to see inside of someone's lungs. And then the next time I was perceiving inside of someone's intestines and the joints in their body or their heart. So things like that. The primary thing I want you to know is that this is not a gift that only a few people in the world have. This is a learned skill. And people would ask me, how am I becoming, or how am I so accurate with what I'm getting? And I would say, I don't know. And so I began to study myself. And as I studied myself for, 7 or 8 months, that actually led to my first book, Become a Medical Intuitive. And then I wrote Advanced Medical Intuition. So I want you to realize that medical intuition is not just about the body. It's about our emotions and thoughts. It's about our past life. It's about our traumatic experiences when we were younger. It includes the whole aspect of a human being. This will not just be about giving an accurate reading. I actually take this into a healing, and I teach many different healing modalities. And that's actually more of the healing is what is included in my Advanced Medical Intuition book. Now, the online course was recorded in New York State at Fellowships of the Spirit. And it was recorded in a live classroom, so you will receive the lectures, you will hear other students asking questions and me answering their questions, and it's 13 hours out of a 21-hour course. And it's divided into segments so that you can watch at your leisure and when it works out in your schedule. And don't take my word for it. Here are some people who feel they've been very successful after taking my course.
Hi, my name is Terry, and I recently took Tina Zion's class on becoming a medical intuitive. Tina is so inspiring, and she is an amazing teacher. She gave us so many examples during our class time of her experiences that she's had throughout the years of being a medical intuitive. She gave many handouts to us that we could learn from and keep throughout our years of practicing our medical intuition practice.
Hi, I'm Letha. I'm from Fort Wayne, Indiana, and I'm a hypnotherapist and a Reiki practitioner here. And I recently took a 3-day workshop with Tina Zion on becoming a medical intuitive. This workshop was 3 days and just full of information that I can see how it will easily blend in with what I'm already doing, helping people, helping them heal, helping them help themselves.
I highly recommend Tina Zion's Advanced Medical Intuition workshop, and I can honestly say that I walked away from her class feeling more intuitive, more in control of my intuition too than I have ever felt in my life.
Hi, my name is Marianne Kelly, and I'm delighted to tell you what a wonderful experience I had in taking Tina Zion's courses on medical intuition. The information was so comprehensive, so enjoyable to learn, because she teaches in such a down-to-earth type of style that it's very engaging. And I also felt that I didn't want to blink because there was such wonderful content. Yet it's taught in such a practical, hands-on manner. And this is because Tina herself has decades of hands-on practical experience, which is immediately evident.
Hi, my name is Diane Reardon. I'm a naturopath and medical intuitive. A few years ago, I was fortunate enough to do a medical intuition course with Tina Zion, and I'd have to say it was life-changing.
I highly recommend the class, and I recommend the class to anybody who wants to be self-responsible, who wants to empower themselves. I have done so much of my own healing.
Tina is so well versed in being a medical intuitive. I can't say enough about the class. The days went by so quickly. I met so many great people. It was so nice to connect with like-minded people. I would highly recommend this class.
Tina teaches from her own personal experience, from having worked with hundreds of clients over the years, and has worked out the techniques and methods that really work. Tina's courses are fun, jam-packed full of really interesting information, and she really does show you a very easy way to do medical intuition for others.
This was an organized workshop. It was detailed, it was entertaining, it was uplifting. I certainly felt uplifted and much more confident when I left there. So I highly recommend this.
I would even recommend the classes to medical doctors or therapists, counselors.
So I truly invite you to participate in all of her courses, as well as to read her books, which I have done as well, which has been a wonderful complement to taking her courses.
Yeah, I really can't say enough good about her. She teaches things that no one else is teaching, but everyone can learn.
Absolutely do it. You will never regret it.
So I ask you to please join me in this classroom and take this step-by-step process to build your skills as a medical intuitive. And I thank you very, very much.